So here it is, guys, my brown stew mutton in the pot. Frying, guys. Yes, my brown stew mutton is in the pot here. Frying. Hey guys, welcome back to Self-Care Official. And today, guys, we're gonna prepare brown stew mutton for dinner. Yes, guys, there it is. Local goat. Yes, I'm gonna season him, turn it into brown stew mutton. So, guys, follow the process and you'll see what I'm doing. That's the price, guys. $1,433.78 Jamaican currency, guys. Yes, and $1 to a Jamaican dollars or Jamaican dollars to a US is $150, right? $1 in Jamaica is for $150. So you can do the maths here, guys. So to see how much it costs in the US for this mutton here, right? Yeah. So stay tuned, guys, and you see the other steps. I'm gonna wash the mutton now. Yes, gonna pour it in this here. Yes. And here is my pure food vinegar. This is what I use so to wash my meat. Yes, guys. And they are just gonna catch some water on it and leave it to soak for at least about 10 minutes there. And then I will get back to it. Yes, then I will get back to my mutton. So to season. Stay tuned, guys. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yes, guys. Subscribe. Here is my mutton, guys. All clean up. All the excess fat are taken away. Now we're gonna season him up. Yes, we're gonna season up the mutton here. Brown stew mutton it is. There is my salt. We have black pepper here. Yes. I'm gonna put a little black pepper on him. That's right. We have our food coloring. Browning it is. This is the one that gonna make it have a little goldish color. That's it, not too much. We have here oxtail seasoning. We're gonna put a little oxtail seasoning. Yes, that's it. We have again right here Maggi seasoning, all purpose it is, right? I'm gonna pour a little, not too much, right? And there it is, guys, already. That's it, guys. Stay tuned for the end result, guys. I will come back to you when it is in the pot. Yes. Remember, guys, to subscribe and share. That's right. Subscribe and share. Here it is, guys. My oil being hot. Now I'm going to pour in my brown stew mutton here. Yes. My mutton is here. I'm going to pour it in the pot. It's a little oil that is there. Yeah. Let it there. So to fry it up, then I'm gonna add some water to it and let it take its time. Yes. Let it take its time to fry. Wow. So here it is, guys. My brown stew mutton in the pot. Frying, guys. Yes. My brown stew mutton is in the pot here. Frying. Right? So I'm just gonna pour some water onto it. There. Yes. And leave it so to cook. Look at it, guys. Gonna leave it there to cook, and then I'm gonna come back to show you what's going on. Right, guys? Let me cover the pot now. And that's how it goes right there. Awesome. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel and share. Wonderful. Here it is, guys. My brown stew mutton. On the finishing, gonna add some brown seasoning to it. Scallion, onion, sweet pepper. Yes, pepper. Yes. And there was garlic earlier and ginger along with thyme. So these are the brown seasoning, guys. Look at it. Yes. So all these brown seasoning are added now. Now I'm gonna close my pot here and leave it for the final finishes. Yes. As well as over here, we have our brown provision, sweet potato, candy yam, with green banana. Look at it, guys. Great combination. Coming up with the finished product. Here it is, guys. The finished product of our candy yam, green banana, cucumber with our brown stew mutton, guys. Look at it. Delicious combination, guys. Look at it, guys. Brown stew mutton accompanied with the green banana candy yam here and cucumber. Yummy, yummy. Yes, guys. Yummy, yummy, delicious meal. Thanks for watching.